This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut probiotic. First, select fresh, firm cabbage and a good quality non-iodized salt. Shred your cabbage thinly, then weigh it to calculate 2% of its weight in salt. Massage the salt into the cabbage for about 10 minutes until a significant amount of brine forms. This brine is crucial for the fermentation process. Pack the salted cabbage very tightly into a clean jar, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets. It is essential that your cabbage stays fully submerged under the brine to prevent mold growth. You can use a fermentation weight or even a small, clean jar filled with water placed on top of the cabbage. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or cloth to allow gases to escape. Let it ferment at a cool room temperature, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 2 weeks. After a few weeks, your sauerkraut should have a distinct, pleasantly sour aroma. It should not smell foul or like alcohol. The texture will be tender crisp, offering a satisfying bite without being mushy. You might also observe small bubbles rising, which is a sign of active fermentation. Taste a small amount. If it's sour and delicious, it's ready. Once your sauerkraut reaches your desired level of sourness, transfer it to the refrigerator. This significantly slows down the fermentation process, allowing you to store it for several months. To get the most probiotic benefits, enjoy your sauerkraut raw as a side dish or topping. It's a fantastic addition to many meals. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some incredibly durable socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.